Good day, everyone. Today in this video, we will learn how to change the wallpaper in the desktop, whether it's a Windows 10, 8, 7, or 11. So the very first thing here is to do the right click, and then we have this personalize option. We will click on that. And here we have the background. And from here, you can change the previously used recent images in your phone, in your desktop. So once you have done that, or you can also choose, browse the photo and you can select that as a background. And the best way is to open a website called pexels.com. And from here, we will search anything like this. And we will click on that. We will click on free download. And once it is downloaded, we will open it. We just need to do a right click and then set as lock screen or background. So we will select background. We will close it, and here we go. So you can see we have changed a beautiful background, absolutely free, and it is very easy to do so. And the best part is you can search whatever you want. You can add whatever the wallpaper you want. You can customize your own background, or you can download from the Pexels as well. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.